slowly for making the gravy. For that, first of all, we will put in there what? Cumin seeds. And cumin seeds, you have to first check the oil gets hot or not. How you will check? A little cumin seed you will put inside. As I am putting, see, I have put. Cumin seeds are coming up, also the sound is coming. It means the oil has get heated. So now, first step is you have to put the cumin seed. Put Vinisha. Slowly, carefully. Yes. Stir it. Alright. Fine. Now next step is that when the cumin seeds will get blackish, little dark in color, then what we will pour in it? Onion paste, which we have grinded earlier. Alright?
Yes,
So now it's not totally brownish. A little time it will take, 30 seconds. So now it's the time to pour onion paste. Slowly, you have to pour from the side, not from the beginning. Pour it. Pour it here. Slowly. Curd means we need. Here we are having curd. So first of all you will pour this curd into this utensil. Slowly, slowly. Completely. Next one. Cut with scissors. That you got into the utensil. Now we have to stir it continuously, but slowly, slowly. Otherwise, it will come out. So slowly, slowly you stir it. It will mix completely. As you are seeing that onion color has been changed to reddish brown. As reddish brown means the signal is that oil has been got roasted. Now it's the turn of getting tomatoes. Tomato paste already we have put. Now we will pour this tomato paste inside the onion. Slowly, slowly you have to pour. Start. Slowly, slowly. Yes, yes, pour it. Fine. Now we will mix this complete paste of onion and tomato. Mix it with your hand. Now it's the turn to add spices. Why spices we are adding in the vegetables?
To give flavor to food.
Exactly, to give flavor and taste to our food, what we are making, because they add the taste. So now it's the time to put the flavors. We are going to add spices like turmeric powder, coriander powder, degi mirch, all these spices. One by one you add. Slowly, slowly. Now stir it. Next. Next. This is degi mirch, red chili powder, more favorable spices for making the vegetable more delicious. Next, coriander powder. Next is paneer masala. As we are going to make paneer, so we are adding in this paneer masala. So now you have to stir it continuously. First of all, hold that wok with cloth and then stir carefully. Completely you mix it with the paste. All the spices has been added. Now you can see the color of the paste also. Has it changed?
Yes, yes.
It's changed because of the spices only. Now we are going to add the main ingredient without which the food is incomplete. Tell me what is that ingredient? Salt, exactly. So now you add salt in it. Alright, now stir it. Stirring is always there because so that all the spices, salt, turmeric powder, whatever you added, that will mix completely with the paste. That's why stirring is necessary. This is not in this vegetable only. This is for all the vegetables, whatever you are making. Alright?
Yes, ma'am.
This we are roasting cumin seeds. Why we are roasting cumin seeds? To make raita. Now we are going to prepare raita. We will add spices. For this we will add this cumin seeds. We will first rub it in our palms so that it will finally get in smaller pieces. After pouring cumin seeds, it's come spice, garam masala which we call. Pour it inside it. This much, okay. Now it's a turn to add salt into it. For salt, add the salt. Add salt in this. Alright, fine. Now we will stir it. Paneer cubes in the shape of square. Small cubes you have to cut properly, but you have to be careful while using knife, as knife is a sharp object. So carefully you cut all the pieces of paneer. Now we have to put cream inside it. What is the need of putting cream in the vegetable?
To make it creamy.
Yes, to make it creamy, to make it delicious. Color will come. Taste plus color, both will come after putting this cream. Now stir it. You have to put these peas into the utensil. Stir it. Properly, carefully. Now we will add some water in it. Add water. Slowly, slowly. While pouring water, we have not to stop the stirring. As the spice, the flavor, this will mix into the complete vegetable. It should mix thoroughly. Thoroughly means completely from now. I will tell you how to stir. Like this. See. From downwards you have to start until upward. Alright? Like this. It will mix it completely. See. Clockwise. Then anti-clockwise. Getting the color is changing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Observe everybody. Now we will cover it with the lid. As you can see the color has become very nice. Means the puree is almost ready. Now we are going to garnish it with paneer cubes plus with cream. So now put paneer cubes slowly inside. Slowly. Slowly. Mold out. Like this. Yes. Good. Now stir it. Now garnish it with cream. Take, as we have put the paneer cubes inside it also, so now we'll cover it with a lid for 2 minutes so that paneer would also soak all the spices and flavor inside it. Let it be as usual for 2 minutes. Side by side, as we have put oil also in the wok. This oil is about to get hot. It will take time, as you know. Oil take time. So oil will be used to make puri. Obviously, for puris we have already made up. I have told you how to make the dough. So from these dough you have to make first the balls of dough, then you have to roll it. Alright, I will teach you how to do. See, you have to take a little amount of dough in your hand and like balls you are making na. See, like this you have to make it. Alright?
Yes, ma'am.
Now start making. Start making all the balls. Alright, now you see how you are going to roll it. First of all, apply a little amount of oil. Applied. Now, one time like this and another time like this. Puris are basically small in size. Done. Now we will enter it into the oil, and when it will be roasted, then it will take up. Alright?
Yes, ma'am.
Now our oil is not ready. It will take few minutes more. So afterwards, we will put it into the oil. See, as I have told you, you have to make the dough balls. You have prepared it. Now I will tell you how to make circular puri.
Yes.
First of all, slowly. Roll it with the help of roller and take. Don't make it too much thin. This much only. This is the exact size of a puri. Now we will put it into the hot oil. See. And we have to put it slowly, carefully while doing this process. Alright, now it is getting reddish in color due to the heatness of oil. As oil was kept from last 10 minutes, you have not to get it too much dark, only light reddish color will come, so that then you can take it out. See, now you can see the best color of puri. See, this is the color of puri, and after making it, you can keep it into the container. Same as you have to make rest of the puri. One more I will teach you, then you will make how, whatever you have learned from. Alright?
Yes, ma'am.
Now again, we put it to the hot oil. This process is very carefully means we have to do, because hot oil is very harmful. You have to get a little side see. Shape plus size. This is the perfect shape and size of a puri. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So now you are able to help your mother in kitchen.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. From back side it has become, it is roasted. Now from front side I have to fry it little more. Alright. Put it in the container. See, girls and boys, you have to roll the roller very slowly with soft hands. And from the corners you have to pay attention that corners should be properly set. Because if corners it will be thick, it will not get fried. Alright. Now come. You have to put it into hot oil slowly from the side areas. Alright. See the puri you have made. How it is?
Very nice, ma'am.
Very nice. So today you have learned how to make puri also.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. From next time at home, who is going to make the puris?
Hi, ma'am.
You all.
Yes, ma'am.
I will ask from your parents also whether you are helping now or not.
Yes, ma'am.
This cooking I am teaching you so that you can help your mother. Alright, now prepare another one. Slowly. Turn it. Very good. Corners, from the corners beta. Yes. Look at your home. Wow. Alright, so as you can see, our vegetable is also ready, raita is also ready, salad as well as our puri. So our complete plate is ready here. I would like to call Aarti ma'am for tasting it and telling me how I have made this. How I and my student had worked hard upon it. Really mouth-watering. So yummy, really it's tasty, very delicious. Thank you so much. Very tasty. Thank you so much, ma'am.